Alright guys, so it's snowing right now. We're about to get together with some of the boys and go drifting.
We out here.
That is all tire, for sure.
Well, that's why I wanted these.
Ops came. Oh, dude, that was sick.
He's going too hard.
Alright, I'm gonna hop in his car. Look at him.
Dude, he's going way too fast.
He is going really fast.
Oh my god.
I thought he was gonna
He
hit
almost
yo.
hit Silver. He's going way too fast.
He's an idiot, yo, bro. Yeah. Bro, I'm gonna put the Need for Speed music in here. Bow, 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 bow.
Hey, Sway. I see you, boy.
Now there's enough snow, bro.
That's a lot of clutch.
That is a lot of clutch and brakes, bro. I hope you guys liked that video. Sorry I haven't been posting too much. I've been really busy. But now that I'm back at school, I should have a few videos coming up this week and a bunch more content coming soon. Peace.